How to use the Instagram co-watching feature. This tutorial shows you how to watch videos together with a friend during a video call on your Android device. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. After that, tap on the message icon at the bottom of the screen to open your direct messages. From there, find and tap on the conversation of the person you want to co-watch with. At this point, tap on the video call icon at the top right corner of the chat to start a video call with them. In the next step, once you're both on the video call, look for the video share icon at the bottom of the screen. Following this, tap on it to open your video selection screen. Once done, you'll see your liked videos and saved videos from Instagram ready to choose from. From here, tap on any video you want to watch together to start playing it. Finally, both you and your friend will now be able to watch the video together in real time while still being on the video call. And that's it. If this Instagram guide helped you use the co-watching feature with a friend, give it a like, subscribe for more Instagram tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.